Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you the Nova Glass State menu for Windows 11. This is a beautiful Windhawk transparent UI customization that gives your desktop a clean, modern glass look, smooth blur effect, soft transparency, and a stylish layout that feels fresh and premium. If you love customizing Windows 11, you will really enjoy this setup. I will show you how it looks, how it works, and how you can install it step by step. So watch until the end and transform your Windows 11 State menu into something amazing and unique. Let's get started. That's for today's video. I hope you liked the Nova Glass State menu for Windows 11. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe the channel for more Windows customization content. Comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.